Hey everyone! Thanks for checking in. Today, we have this gorgeous one-story home built by Shattuck Homes on a 1-acre lot that will take your breath away. This awesome home has got it all. A sprawling 1-acre lot, perfect for chilling or hosting epic backyard barbecue. And let's not forget the perks inside. We're talking multiple offices for work-from-home days, a game room, media room, and even a spot to get your fitness on. Plus, being close to South Fork Ranch, Lake Lavon, shopping spots, and a bunch of golf courses means endless fun is just around the corner. It's in the acclaimed Plano Independent School District. You'll have access to Hunt Elementary, Murphy Middle, and McMillan High School. So, grab a seat and let's dive into this awesome home tour together. As we step inside, to the left you'll find the media room, fully equipped with all the wiring you need for epic movie nights. But hey, if movies aren't your thing, this space is versatile. It could easily serve as a second office for those busy workdays, or even transform into a formal meeting room. The possibilities are truly endless here. And to the right, you'll discover a well-appointed office space, complete with glass French doors for a touch of sophistication and privacy, while enjoying plenty of natural light streaming in through the windows. Whether you're working from home or need a quiet space to focus, this office provides the ideal environment to get things done. As we move towards the game room, the gleaming hardwood floors and large windows that flood the space with natural light serves as a central hub, conveniently connecting the 3 bedrooms. This layout makes it an ideal spot for entertaining guests or keeping an eye on the kids as they play. Heading to the front of the house, you'll find the first bedroom, strategically positioned for privacy and convenience. As you step inside, you'll notice a private bath with a standing shower, providing added convenience and comfort. Whether it's accommodating guests or offering a retreat for a family member, this room offers both functionality and comfort. Making our way to the 3rd bedroom, you'll find a cleverly designed space that offers both convenience and flexibility. This bedroom features a bathroom with dual access, providing easy entry from both the bedroom and the common area. Whether it's used as a guest suite or for family members, this setup ensures everyone can enjoy privacy and comfort. As we make our way to the living room, prepare to be captivated by its grandeur and elegance. The soaring high ceilings create an expansive atmosphere, while the large windows flood the space with an abundance of natural light, illuminating every corner of the room. Modern light fixtures add a touch of sophistication, casting a warm and inviting glow throughout. The open concept kitchen, where style and functionality come together in perfect harmony. You'll immediately notice the sleek shaker cabinets, offering ample storage space for all your culinary essentials. The luxurious Omega Stone countertops provide both durability and elegance, while the farmhouse sink adds a touch of rustic and sophistication. But the real showstopper? The stunning marble backsplash, adding a pop of texture and visual interest to the space. And for added convenience, a butler's pantry providing extra storage for all your entertaining needs. The laundry room is equipped with a sink and ample cabinet space, providing practical solutions for all your cleaning and storage needs. Strategically placed for convenience, the laundry room is easily accessible, offering seamless connectivity to the workout gym or flex space, according to your preference. This thoughtful layout ensures that tackling chores is a breeze, with easy access to both the laundry facilities and additional living spaces. As we move to the 3-car garage, you can't miss the expansive extended driveway, offering parking space for 5 to 7 vehicles with ease. This feature provides ample room for guests' vehicles or accommodating a growing family's needs. As we make our way to the breakfast nook, get ready to be charmed by its cozy yet elegant ambience. Adorned with a beautiful chandelier that casts a warm glow. Step out onto the expansive covered patio, where barbecues and outdoor entertaining await. And as you take in the view, you'll appreciate the vast expanse of the backyard, offering plenty of space to design your own oasis. Whether you envision a lush garden, a play area for the kids, or even a sparkling pool, the possibilities are endless. With so much room to roam and unleash your creativity, this backyard invites you to turn your dreams into reality and create a haven tailored to your lifestyle. Adjacent to the breakfast nook, you'll find the powder room. With direct access to the backyard, it's the perfect pit stop for guests enjoying outdoor activities or gatherings. In the primary suite, you'll discover a luxurious touch, a built-in sitting bench nestled by the window. Enhanced by the cathedral ceiling above, this space exudes a sense of grandeur and tranquility, creating an inviting atmosphere for unwinding after a long day. Stepping into the primary bath, you'll be greeted by a sense of spa-like serenity. The centerpiece of this luxurious retreat is the freestanding acrylic soaking tub, nestled between dual vanities. This large shower provides ample room to refresh and rejuvenate, while the bench offers a comfortable spot to relax and unwind. The primary suite's expansive closet offers ample space for both him and her, ensuring that storage and organization are never a concern. And for added convenience, the bathroom features direct access to the adjacent workout gym or flex room. Whether you're grabbing your gym gear for a morning workout or selecting the perfect outfit for the day ahead, this seamless connection ensures that everything you need is always within reach. Thank you for joining us on this tour of this stunning home in Kings Crossing, Parker, Texas. From its spacious layout to its luxurious amenities, this property truly offers the best of modern living. With its serene surroundings, top-rated schools, and convenient location, it's more than just a house, it's a place to call home. If you're ready to make your dream of luxury living a reality, don't hesitate to contact Tommy Nguyen for a private showing. Your next chapter awaits in this beautiful community.